living down in Australia and the Brisbane area, they could breathe a sigh of relief, especially if you're waiting on the sidelines to pick up something or looking to buy into the market. Well, the poop is hitting the fan. Average unit price down 81 large with bargains coming next year. I strongly suggest, guys, to stay on the sidelines. You've been on the sidelines so long now. Australia's been in a bull market for a million years now. I suggest it sits back, waits, and just go give offers half the price of what they're asking, because that's what's going to happen, people. Anyways, sharp-eyed apartment hunters might score a good deal in the new year with Brisbane's apartment slowdown, seeing 13% of new units unsold at settlement date and the average price down by 81 large. Look at that, people. $81,000 Australian is equivalent to 81,000 Canadian dollars. All right, here goes. Sharp-eyed apartment hunters might score a good deal in the new year, with Brisbane's apartment slowdown seeing 13% of new units unsold at settlement due to the average price down by 81 large. Of 3,382 inner Brisbane apartments that began settlement this quarter, 47% were sold out projects and 13% remained unsold. The latest Urbis Apartment Essentials report found. And these guys are pretty good when it comes to the Urbis Essentials. They're pretty good. Over half of the apartments that hit settlement this quarter were in the inner north, it said. Urbis said 300 sales were recorded by Brisbane's new apartment market in the September quarter, which was in line with the previous two quarters when sales logged were 302 and 311. Whoa! As well, it said, the weighted average sale price decreased by 80 large, registering 664,667, partly because the higher levels of 1 and 2 bedroom units on the market. Yeah, you thought you could build yourself out of this problem. Look what's happening now. What'd you think? Was it going to go down? Anyways. Development approval for new apartments was also its lowest level recorded by Urbis, the report said, with only 672 new apartments, which reached development approval status in the quarter, according to the company director, Property Economics and Research, Paul Riga. Between 2014 and 2016, it was normal to see over 2,000 units reach approval status per quarter. And that height of the cycle in 2014 and 2015, this number peaked over 5,000 apartments. So, guys, Australia's been in a housing bull run for like 20, 30 years, so while the rest of the world crashed in 2008, the Australians were kind of looking around and saying, what's going on here? You know what I'm saying? When we are now in the settlement phase cycle and lower levels of new apartment demand and fast drive slowdown in addition with further future supply. Mr. Riga said in 2016, over 7,000 apartments reached a settlement of 2017. It was close to 6,700 units, and 2018, another 7,100 apartments will reach settlement. What our research is telling us is that even the current market conditions, apartments are selling, establishing local developments with reputation for quality product and strong network, achieving great results for the rest of the market. It is certainly harder than it was 18 months ago, but sales continue to tick over the quarter. The coming quarters will continue to see limited new project launches, with only a handful of mooted to launch over the next 6 months. So we know what this is telling me. It's telling me that things are grinding to a halt. People have paid for properties worth more than what they bought them for. And this article was posted, I'll tell you right now, because I put up an article the other day, and they're like, this article's 3 years old. It wasn't. It was like 3 days old. This is from December 15, 2017 at 4:57 p.m. by the Courier Mail, news.com.au. You know what's coming to light, or what's happening and why this is happening? It's because nothing's affordable. People can't afford to live. Australia, New Zealand, UK, Canada, they sold out to the highest bidder. Whoever's got cash, call on in. You're welcome here. And what happened? It's bought out 2-3 generations ahead. 2-3 generations of Australian proper are screwed, because a lot of the Australian proper's parents, great-grandparents, and great-great-great-grandparents laid roots in Australia, built the infrastructure, and built these apartments and built the roads to get to these damn apartments. And the people now can't afford, the Australian proper now can't even afford to, it's unaffordability. They thought they could build themselves out of this damn problem. Look what's happening now. What do you think? Was it going to go down? Anyways, put this in your pipe and smoke it. Let me know what you guys think.